Greetings, students. In this video, we're going to look at how to read your course schedule for spring semester 2017. This is an important video to watch as the due date policy has changed for the spring semester. If you have not already downloaded your course schedule that was emailed to you with your welcome notification, you may do so by going to your home page, go down to the course information widget, and click on the 18-week schedule. I've already opened this, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. When you click on the 18-week schedule, you will see your syllabus for the spring. Be sure, if you have not already done so, to read through it very carefully. It will tell you the policies and guidelines for your Georgia Virtual course. It will also go over in great detail on page 4, the late work policy, the new Georgia Virtual late work policy for fall and spring semesters. And I've also provided a graphic to help you. Let's take a look at the schedule beginning on page 13 so we understand how to read it and submit our assignments. Your schedule acts as a calendar in which you open to see what assignments or what you should be working on in your Georgia Virtual class each day. This spring semester starts on January 9th for the 18-week students, so we'll use this as our example. When I open my schedule, I should look at it and see what my assignments or tasks are for the day. The schedule is color-coded. For discussion assignments, you will find that they are listed in green, Dropbox assignments are in blue, and quizzes and tests will appear in red. On Monday, January 9th, you will be responsible for going over your syllabus, handing in your acknowledgement form, and taking a pretest. Your next assignment for the first week of class occurs on Wednesday, the 11th. This will be an intro discussion. And then Friday, you have an assignment called birth defects. Let's go to week 2. We have a holiday on January the 16th. After that, you will see Wednesday, it has an orange-colored or golden colored background. This is what we call a benchmark due date or an assignment due date. What this means is that any assignment that has not been turned in for this first week and a half of class by midnight on Wednesday will incur a 0 and the late work period will begin. This is a different day and a different policy from previous semesters. Once you miss an assignment due date, quote unquote, the midnight on Wednesday, you will have 3 days, Thursday, Friday, and Monday, to hand in the work for a late grade. We'll go over that in a little more detail in just 1 second. You will notice that each Wednesday after the first week of class has that orange-colored background. This tells you that you will have weekly due dates this semester, meaning you will be turning in work for Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, no later than Wednesday at midnight each week. However, for best results in your Georgia Virtual class, you should be turning in the assignments each day they appear on your schedule. For example, you see the Erickson Stages assignment on Friday, January 20th. You should hand it in that day so you can stay on track and not get behind. This also allows you an opportunity for feedback and to make any adjustments before you take an assessment. Let's look at this graphic in the syllabus a little more closely with the late work policy. So week 1, no assignment due date or benchmark due date. Starting week 2, we have that first Wednesday. If I don't have an assignment turned in by midnight on Wednesday, Thursday, I may hand it in through midnight at a 10% deduction. On Friday, if I hand in one of those assignments from the previous week, it will be a 20% deduction. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday incurs a 30% deduction. Please look at this purple arrow closely. This lets me know that late work after Monday at midnight will not be accepted. So if I try to turn in an assignment from the previous week on Tuesday, it will not be accepted for a grade. So please do look at this. This is also posted in your course homepage. And the best way to avoid any late penalties is by staying on track of your assignment schedule and having those assignments turned in as they appear. Please do contact me with any questions.